Fab. So just before I open this, I just want you to check as well. This is an xNT, which means this is the high frequency NFC that you can see down there. The only reason I ask you to check is because all the packaging for these looks the exact same, and I know on a long enough timeline I'm bound to open the wrong one. I don't want to risk putting the wrong one in the wrong person, so yeah. And you can like keep that like a little souvenir as well. Sweet. Cool. Just gonna get one of these ready as well. We'll get our plaster ready. You've probably watched some videos for this already, and it's like less than 10 seconds. Now don't stick there, you fool. Awesome. Okay. Yeah. Once it's like 3-4 seconds, something like that. Sweet. So just let everything go floppy. Most of what you're going to feel is me pinching. It is a little bit tough. I do have to pinch quite hard, I'm afraid, but luckily you kind of feel more of that than the needle. So alrighty, and just relax. Take a nice big breath in for me. Breathe in. Super. Oh, you've got lovely soft skin.
I think it's been like, I used to have blood tests like every month on one kind of medication or something.
Yeah.
So I think it's quite good to puncture the skin.
It's just like really soft. Yeah, it just went straight in. It's good. Yeah, exactly that. Because like some people's hands have like really tough skin.
No, I mean,
like
I'm envious of that.
Yeah.
It's my tubs.
How was that? Not too bad?
No, that was fine. I think the worst I had was, when I had the stomach piercing.
Yeah, it's so quick. It is just a bit of a gnarly pinch, really, once you kind of feel that squeeze. But yeah, it's pretty quick.
Cats are worse, I think.
Yeah.
Especially when he sits on your back and he starts to scratch
new
it.
habit. Cat's got a great new habit of jumping on backs and.
Like if you bend down next to him, he's like, it's time. Straight up.
And then puts his claws in the lower back to hang on to you.
Oh my god, no.
And he just sits down, doesn't he, for ages, like, and you're there bent over, claws in your back.
Oh no, see the sitting I don't mind. If he wants to give me a little massage, that's okay, but like if he's just like clawing on, then that's a bit much.
I don't think he realises that, does he?
No.
Because he's a kitten in heart, but he's just really big
He's a
claws.
tomcat
Body.
Aww.
So
How
it
old is
doesn't-
he?
6? 5 or 6?
Yeah. 5.5, I think, maybe.
Aww.
But he reached like full kind of maturity before he was neutered, so he doesn't realise that he's got super tough skin and no one else has.
So this sort of weighting is a little bit different from person to person. So it's basically how quickly do you swell and how quickly do you clot and all that little bit. So we just kind of check a little bit. Ooh, not yet.
Sorry, I've not really noticed my hands. Like, I've not really had hand things, like the tattoos didn't do.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't know how far.
Just one. And honestly, even from person to person, it can vary day to day because it can also be diet dependent as well. Like if you've eaten a load of garlic, then it's probably going to be a bit thinner than average. Or if you've had like an abundance of alcohol or other things, like it can change. Yeah. Garlic is quite a strong anticoagulant, so yeah, blood thinner, which is good for you. Like for the most part, it's good to have like a
especially if you have like, is it heart kind of?
Yeah. Having thin blood is like a good